when you have 15 pounds of boost in a stick shift, it's hard not to have fun. Hi, I'm Josh from the Fed Up Fab YouTube channel, and we brought our 1951 Dodge Dually to the second annual Holley MoParty. It was actually a wedding gift to me and my wife from my wife's grandfather. It sat in his barn since the early 80s. We pulled it out in like 2015, and it kind of sat in our garage for a little while. And then we decided that it needed to live, it couldn't just sit. So we stuffed a turbo 5.9 in it with a 5-speed, and we've just been kind of beating on it all summer. It's got a set of Dana 60s under it out of a mid-90s Ram 2500 with some 14-inch travel Bilstein coilovers, 3-link suspension front and rear. We kind of built it as a do-all truck. It'll off-road. So basically this whole truck was built from a 1995 2500 donor truck. It was a Ram 2500. I grabbed the axles, the engine, the transmission, the transfer case, and all the little pieces, but it still rides on the stock 1951 frame, and then we built the full suspension underneath it. We've done pretty much everything we've had a chance to with it this year, except drag racing, because I don't have third gear synchros right now. But we did a burnout contest at Cletus and Cars. We did another burnout contest. We've taken it off-roading. We had it on a circle track, a dirt circle track. We slid it around there sideways, just wide open, making like 10 pounds of boost at the time. Yeah, future plans for the truck is we need bigger fuel injectors because we've run out of fuel, and that's why we only made 450 foot-pounds on the dyno. And once we have that settled, probably build a forged motor for it and really turn it up, because right now it is a bone stock 5.9 with head studs and gaskets, and it's got 15 pounds on top, so it needs a built motor. Yep, I'm going to take in the burnout contest, and I think I have the 2-step set of 4,500 RPM, and since I don't have third gear synchros, I'm just going to drop the clutch in third. And that gives me like 80, 90 mile an hour wheel speed, and it has a welded rear with dual, so 4 tires at 80, 90 mile an hour. It's pretty, we've done some test burnouts. It's pretty gnarly.